guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is going to be an outfits idea video. So basically, you know, I live in Seattle and it's freaking cold, but this week Mother Nature decided to bless us and it's gonna hit 80, which is amazing. So basically I'm getting the summer vibes a little early and I'm really excited for summer because summer style is my favorite style. So I decided to show you guys some summer slash, okay, I don't know, like summer and school, they don't go together, but it's like warm weather summery outfits for school. But then not gonna lie, no matter what, schools are gonna dress code you. So this video, like, just, I don't know. I go to like a super chill college campus, so they literally couldn't care less. My butt could be my non-existent butt could be hanging out and they wouldn't care probably. There's like no dress code. Even my public high school is pretty chill with what you wear. So these are things that I would be able to wear. I know y'all schools are crazy because everyone's commenting. I could literally wear a hoodie and sweats and y'all are like,
I would be dress coded for that.
So sorry if you get dress coded, that sucks. Can't really help you there. But if your school's a little more chill, or if you just want to wear these outfits around town when you're cruising and hanging with your friends, you can do that too. I'm not really sure how many outfits there are going to be in this video because I'm kind of just rolling with it. You know, once I run out of my creative outfit juices, then it'll be over. Also, I restarted my fashion account. I'm actually gonna, you know, get into that. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so first thing I have to say, ignore all of that. Gonna be in a haul, so stay tuned. This is actually what I wore today. Figured I would show you guys anyway because why not? It's an extra thing I don't have to change from. The only thing about this that might not be acceptable at school is like my stomach is showing, but you know, you just pull that down and we are
Gucci.
Plus, jacket can go on or off depending how hot it is. Overview. This top is from Target. It's like my favorite top. It fits so well. These necklaces, the top one I DIY'd, and then this one is from H&M. This denim jacket is from Goodwill. Yeah, I thrifted it a long time ago. Pants are Brandy, and then my sandals are from Target. This little wristband thingy is from Amazon, I think. This ring is from Brandy. This ring is from Amazon, and this ring is from Pura Vida. So this is how the outfit looks. I really like it. I kind of like it. Here, I'll show you without the jacket more, just because, I don't know, I feel like the jacket was a little too big on me. I really dig this. Gives you kind of the summer beachy vibe. I love these pants because they're comfy and they're not jeans. I'm not a jeans gal. Yeah, that's the first look. Just pull the shirt down and call it good. Looking like a surfer just a little bit. Also, this video is a different style. It's kind of like I'm just showing you guys in my mirror. It's just my neighbors moving and I didn't really feel like going outside and filming myself in front of all the movers because that's just a little awkward. So I was like, it's okay, we'll be in my room today. I'm still gonna do outfit videos both ways. Alright, so this next outfit is a bit of a risky one. I would say I could definitely wear this to like my college campus. I would maybe get dress coded for this at high school. I would say I probably wouldn't because I don't have titties and I don't have a butt, so it's fine. The jeans are totally fine for my school. It's just like the stomach part. So as long as I pull this down and there's like this much showing, I wouldn't get dress coded, but I know a lot of people's schools probably would. Or if you have a chest, you might, you know. But this outfit is very basic, but I really like it. So this top is from Brandy, obviously. So many people have it. Yeah, kind of rude. It's fine. This necklace is from, it was a gift from my friends. I don't know where it's from, but it just has a little M on it. Very cute, very cute. And then these jeans I thrifted and then I distressed them myself. Pretty cool stuff. And then my shoes are just Birkenstocks. Love these baddies. They're probably gonna be in like over half of my outfits. Not gonna lie, because once it's warm enough, that's the only thing I wear on my feet. They're the best. So that's this outfit. Very, very simple, very plain, but
I dig it.
I would wear this for like picture day or something. Yay. Next outfit. So if you wear this outfit to school, there's like an 80% chance you're gonna get dress coded, but I think it's really cute, so I wanted to show you guys anyways. And there's ways to go around this and make it a little less scandalous, I guess, but I thought that this outfit is cute. It's kind of like a more athletic vibe, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, I don't have a butt at all, but like these shorts are pretty long, like they cover them. It's just whenever anything's distressed, I feel like there's way higher chance you're gonna get dress coded just because they're like,
oh my gosh, there's holes in it, blah 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 blah.
Plus, I like tuck this shirt into my bra so that it's cropped, but normally the shirt goes like down here, so if I just left it and then my stomach wasn't showing. So the shirt, I really like this shirt. I think it's really cool. It was thrifted from Value Village, I think. Value Village, yeah. I really like it. Something about it. Tucked it into my bra so that it would give off that little cropped vibe. This necklace was from like my grandma or something, but it's actually one of my favorite little necklaces. It's so trendy. It's like a little coin. Grandma was ahead of the time. I also put my hair up in a high-ish pony for this look. These jeans, oh my gosh, all my outfits are thrifted. These jean shorts were thrifted and distressed by the one and only. And then for my shoes, I have some Air Force Ones, and then white Nike socks, crew socks, whatever they're called. That's what this outfit looks like. Kind of like an athletic vibe. I really dig it. Not everyone's cup of tea, but it's mine. This next outfit is a little like boho chic vibes, if you know what I'm saying. It's definitely school safe, I would say, unless your school is insane. Yeah, these pants are amazing. They're so comfy. It's like wearing pajamas, but you look like a boho Vanessa Hudgens queen over here, like Coachella ready. I mean, right guys? Not really. You get what I'm saying. It looks like I could go to Bali or something in this. This top is from Zaful. It's just like a little ruffle long sleeve. Really like it. Super comfy. I also threw my hair up in a little bun. These pants I thrifted. I think they're Old Navy. Super comfy, really flowy. Camera just died in the middle of that. That was so nice. The shoes are the same Target sandals. I only have one pair of sandals and it sucks like a butt crack. And then for my accessory, I have this little like layered necklace. It's one necklace, but it's like layered, you know what I'm saying? From Forever 21, and then the same little bell necklace from H&M. I also have this little ring on from Sweet Peeps. It's kind of cute. If you don't want to get dress coded, go with outfit number 4, 3, can't count. Alright guys, this one I'm real proud of because you know me, I don't dress fancy like this. This is like the fanciest thing I've ever worn. So I could totally wear this to my college campus, but probably get dress coded, not by the skirt because it's like past my fingertips, but just because you know how collarbones are just
super seductive.
People can't control themselves around my shoulders because they're just
so beautiful.
Nonetheless, you can wear this to the mall or something if you want. Okay, so this top, it's just like a ruffle off the shoulder top. This top's from Forever 21. This skirt is from a shop called Little Hazel. It's like a little Asian boutique. I had it in a haul like many years ago. This belt is thrifted. And then for shoes, I'm actually wearing some little booties. I feel like it really completes the look. And then this necklace is so cute. It's this little butterfly charm, and from the shop Honey by Lex, jewelry store just opened by my gal pal. Should totally go check that out. They have super cute jewelry. Alright,
surfer gal.
Alright guys, this next fit is very beachy, I guess. I don't know, that's how I'd describe it. This is what I think of kind of for summer. It's very chillin'. So this top, I had it in a recent thrift haul. It says, life is good, just gives the good vibe, you know what I'm saying? So adorable, love it. Did I ever say I thrifted it? And then these jeans are Hollister. They're the ones that don't fit, so I had to clip them again in the booty. Love that for me, haha. Wish I had a butt to hold my jeans up. And then Birkenstocks again. I accessorized so much. Start off with the necklaces. This one is a DIY. And then this one is from my friend. She got it from Hawaii. All these bracelets are a mix, honestly. I also have anklets on. This one is Pura Vida. And then this one I DIY'd. If you guys want to see how I DIY my friendship bracelets that I make for myself because I don't have friends, let me know. Totally do that. This is like the basic what I would wear in the summer. I would just wear jean shorts and then change out the t-shirt because we all know I have 2,000 million t-shirts. Alright, this outfit also very summery, boho-y, very much liking it right now. I could definitely get away with wearing this, I'm pretty sure. Very, very cozy. Not cozy, that's not the right word. It's all the stuff is very soft and comfy. Overview. So this top is from the Soft and Sexy line from what's it called? American Eagle. These shorts are from Brandy. They have pockets. I'm here for it. Super wrinkly, but then they kind of have that I'm wrinkly but it's okay vibe. For my shoes, I'm wearing the Target sandals once again. And then to accessorize, starting off with the necklaces, I have this one, which I think I DIY'd. I honestly don't really remember. This one I also DIY'd. I have a video on that. You should watch it. Scrunchie, which I also DIY'd. I also have this anklet. Hello, focus. I have this little gold anklet which matches the choker. I DIY'd this also. So adorable. Kind of looks like I'm wearing pajamas, but also kind of like it. Alright guys, this is the final outfit. Very basic. Definitely something that I would wear to school. I wouldn't get dress coded for wearing this. Putting that out there. This is a really basic outfit and it's very interchangeable. This off the shoulder top is from Garage. This bralette is from Aeropostale. These jeans are the same huge jeans from Hollister. For my shoes, I have slip-on white Converse, and then I still have the little anklet on because I think these friendship anklets look really good with Converse. For my necklace, I'm just wearing jewel kind of choker, not really a choker, just kidding. It's just a dangly like jewel necklace. Sometimes I struggle to speak. That's pretty cool. But yeah, ain't this a cute little girly put together? Really nice and basic, but thumbs up for this one. Alright guys, so those were all the outfits. Hope that you enjoyed them and that they gave you some inspiration, you know, if you just can't think of anything to wear, if you're just excited for this warm weather just like me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more outfit videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up and let me know, and comment below what kind of outfit videos you would want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.